Hello guys, this is tour review number 2. Last time I did the Batman vs. Superman one, but this time it's Batman vs. Superman and Man of Steel tour review. My name is Parker Johnson. My AKA name is Parker, AKA Webslinger. And my name is Parker, and get it because it's on Spider-Man. His name is Peter Parker. And here you can see this. Here's a whole bunch of action figures you can have. Pause. Hang on a second, guys. On here you can see Aquaman, and Wonder Woman, and Batman, and on the other box you can see Superman with this, and Batman and Batman armor. And here you can see Superman, Wonder Woman, and Batman. Okay, first we're gonna do Man of Steel. That was my brother. He's annoying. Here's Jor-El. He does not have a cape, and he cannot drop, or else his armor will fall off. And here's the next part. Here, it's like on the movie. It's like on the movie with the Superman chamber, and it has a necklace, and it's like he puts it in the ship. It's like this is the ship, and then and you can see Superman's like little stand thing. Here you can see Jor-El's stand thing. Here you can see General Zod's stand thing. Here you can see
action.
Ta-da! Hello guys, this is my brother
Toy Junior,
and he likes doing in reviews.
Yes.
And here,
Hold on. We have one other guy.
Mom took it back. Mom took it back to the store.
Where's the Batman guy?
Mom took it back.
Yeah, but where's our Batman guy?
Right here.
No, our other Batman guy.
Mom took.
Okay.
Okay, hang on. Shut up, brother.
He's me.
Action.
Okay, here you can see there's 2 General Zod stands. And what's the name again, Dad, of this? What's the name again, Dad?
Action.
This is made by Mattel. This toy is made by Mattel, and you know it's DC Comics. And here's 2 General Zod stands. Here's the next part. Here you can see Superman. And actually there's 2 Supermans, but you don't know which one's from Man of Steel and Batman vs. Superman. This is Batman vs. Superman. This is Man of Steel. And I'm out of the picture for a second.
Okay, let me see. The first thing that I like is that you could take General Zod's mask off.
Dang it! I wanted to do that!
silly right now. And I think that he has good printing on the face, and he. Show me! You! And I'm like, General Zod will punch you in the face right now. Ow. Ow. My leg.
That's reviewing us.
I know.
This is not my brother right now.
No.
Here's Superman. You can see he can fly. Reap. And here you can see Superman and General Zod wearing the same costume. And it's like in the movie when he's melting in the skulls and he's like, "Stop, Zod. I'm not a part of this." Then what are you part of? No. Stop, Zod. No. Hello, guys. I'm General Zod. General Zod just kicked the thing.